All right, this is going to be a very important video, so make sure that you are paying very close attention. This video is about how to use the class progress tracker. This is something you're going to use every day, and this is the best way to make sure that you are communicating with your teachers about your progress in the class, since we are using self-paced and everyone is going to be in a different place at a different time. So the class progress tracker is a document that allows everyone to track their progress throughout the unit. You are going to see where people are, but it is normal for people to be in different places, and any feedback is private just to you. And this will also help you because then it'll tell you which classmates you can ask for help on assignments, especially when we get to go back to the classroom. If both your teachers are busy with a student already and you just have a quick question, you'll be able to look and see who has already finished that assignment and who might be able to help you. So the class progress tracker is going to be posted to the top of the Classroom tab on Google Classroom, and you will need to access this almost every single day and update it. So how it's going to work is you're going to click on your name on the left column, and it's going to open your individual page. On your page, you're going to find the lesson you're working on and use the key to indicate your level of progress. So you're going to either type a W because you're working on this with no problems, a Q because you're working on this but you have a question you'd like to ask, an S, which means you're stuck and you can't move on until you get some help, an F, which means that you're waiting on feedback, so you've submitted it and you think that it's finished but your teachers haven't looked over it yet, and then an X, and that's when you've looked at the feedback for the assignment and it is completely finished. You don't need to redo any part of it and you can completely move on. This is going to allow your teachers to know right away if you need help or if you need feedback so that you know you can move on. So this is what it's going to look like, but everyone's names will be in it for your class period. And the first thing you're going to do is find your name. And when you find your name, let's say I'm student name 1, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open my individual page. And then it has all of the lessons here on the left. So you're going to find which one you are currently working on. And then in the progress section, you're going to type the letter for your current level of progress using that key that I just talked about. When you type in a letter, it's going to change colors, and this is mostly for your teachers so that we can see really quickly who's stuck or who needs feedback, and then we can go to the other things. And once your assignment has been reviewed, this is where you can see your score for that assignment and any feedback that's given to you by your teachers. And this will also help you know if you need to go back and redo anything to make sure you understand it. And again, only you can see your individual page. So if I am student number 6, I will not be able to click on anybody else's and access it. It's going to say, nope, that's not you. So that part will be private. But this part, you will be able to see just kind of what level everybody is at. So just a reminder of the letters, and this will be posted so that you can find it. W means I'm working. It's going to turn green, meaning I'm all good. Q is going to be for question, and it'll turn yellow, kind of like green light, yellow light, red light. So I need some help, but I can still work on this independently. S is for stuck, which means I cannot move on until somebody helps me. I'm very confused, or I don't have the right resource or something. F is for feedback, which means I've submitted it. I think it's done. I'm waiting for my teachers to look over it. And X is finished. This is completely done. I've moved on from this. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, as always, please let us know. And you're going to actually go ahead and open the class progress tracker and update your progress so far. So for 1A, you should hopefully be on either feedback or finished if you're viewing this video. And then you can update for your level of progress on 1B so far.